Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to unlock home screen layout. Go to the home screen and if you would like to move any app or delete, you cannot do it because it is already locked. So to unlock this feature, you have to go to the settings first. Go to settings, then go to home and lock screen, then go to home settings. Then here you can see that lock home screen layout is turned on, so that it is locked. If you turn off this button, now you can modify. See here, I click on this and I move this. So in this way you can easily unlock home screen layout. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.